If you're having a hard time stepping into the version of you and the reality that you're trying to create, I want you to listen to this message and apply it to your life starting today. We live in a society that's largely based on urgency and instant gratification. So oftentimes we are given these opportunities, whether it's relationships or business or health, whatever it might be. And because of that sense of urgency, if it sounds good, we immediately say yes to it. But what a lot of people don't realize is, number one, when you're saying yes to one thing, you're saying no to another. And number two, when you're saying yes immediately based on a nervous system that has been programmed based on traumas and patterns of the past, or a mind that is meant to keep you safe, and sometimes that safety means staying stuck in the comfort zone, your initial yes is actually blocking a yes that could have been much more beneficial. But in this society, we've become largely programmed to go with that initial yes because it feels weird or awkward, or the urgency takes over and we're not willing to say, thank you for this opportunity. I'm going to take just a moment or a day or whatever to think about it. And then you sit and you go within. You go within the part of you that is not based on trauma, that is not based on past thinking, but that higher level of consciousness, and make your decision from there, knowing that you can't fuck up anything that is truly meant for you. So if you allow yourself the time and space to feel that full embodied fuck yes, instead of going with the initial gut instinct based on a gut that's probably largely unhealthy still, you can slowly start to reprogram yourself to start going inward and creating thoughts and decisions from that conscious state of mind rather than the past programming. So as you move through your day today, notice the things that you're immediately saying yes to. And also notice if you can give yourself the time and the space to pause and go within before you start investing your time and energy into things that are going to repeat past cycles. Let me know how this works for you. And if no one's told you today, I love you, breathe deep, and plan on miracles.